Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from the group Rompin, and my member of my group is Nur Fazira binti Azmi, is me, Chin bin Lee, Nur Arisa Suhaila binti Muhammad Azri, and Muhammad Zulkairuddin bin Zulkifli.
Okay, saya akan start. So, what is EasyAda? And it is a software enable hardware engineers to design, simulate, share to public and privately, and discuss schematics, simulation, and printed circuit board (PCB). It also allows the creation and editing of schematic diagrams, spice simulation of mixed analog and digital circuits, and the creation and editing of printed circuit board layouts. Optionally, the manufacture of printed circuit board. What is PCB, printed circuit board? Mechanically support and electrically connects electrical or electronic components using conductive track pads and other features etched from one or more sheet layers of copper laminated onto and or between sheet layers of non-conducting substrate. Components are generally soldered onto PCB, used in all but the simplest electronic product. What is LT-SPICE? LT-SPICE is base analog electronic circuit, simulate computer software produced by semiconductor electronic manufacturer analog digital and device. It is a freeware. LT-SPICE is not artificially restricted to limit its capability. No nodes limit, no component limits, no subcircuit limits. Provide schematic capture to enter an electronic schematic for an electronic circuit and enhance SPICE type analog electronic circuit simulator and a waveform viewer to show the result of the simulation. Okay, the procedures. Enter the circuit figure 1 and figure 2 on any simulation software. We are using LT-SPICE. Simulate the circuit. Perform the virtual visual. Simulate for figure 1 and figure 2. Draw the circuit in any visual simulation software. Test and simulate our circuit. Generate bill of material for our project. BOM. Create PCB layout for the circuit using EasyAda. Do the report and slide. Submit to Kala. That's all for me.
Okay, my name is Nur Arisa Suhaila binti Muhammad Azri, BC 20029. I'm going to continue to present about our project. Okay, this is schematic figure 1 using LT-SPICE. We use diode, resistor, LED, transistor, and capacitor. Next. Okay, this one is schematic figure 1 using EasyEDA. This is how we create the schematic diagram. Okay, next. This is PCB for figure 1 using EasyEDA software. Next. Okay, this is schematic figure 2 using LT-SPICE. We use resistor, and IC. Next. Okay, this is schematic figure 2 using Easy EDA. Okay, this is how we create using Easy EDA. Okay, this one is PCB for figure 2. We use resistor and IC. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, now I'm gonna present flowchart of the process. Okay, first, this is flowchart using LTSpice. First, we start, then open LTSpice, understand figure 1. Next, draw and simulate figure 1. If you done drawing and simulation, go to save schematic figure 1. If not, draw and simulate figure 1 again. Okay, after save schematic figure 1, understand figure 2. Then draw and simulate figure 2. Next, if you done drawing and simulation, do the simulation, save schematic figure 2. If not, draw and simulate figure 2. After you done, save schematic figure 2 and finish. Okay, next is flowchart performing visual simulation. First start, then use any simulation software. Next, create visual simulate. After that, draw and simulate figure 1. If the test is okay, go to save schematic figure 1. If the test is not okay, draw and simulate figure 1 again. If you done, save schematic figure 1, create visual simulate. Next, draw and simulate figure 2. If the test is okay, save schematic figure 2. If not, draw and simulate figure 2 until done, then save schematic figure 2 and finish. Okay, now flowchart using Easy EDA. First start, then open Easy EDA. Next, create new schematic. After that, draw figure 1. If you done drawing schematic, convert the schematic to PCB. If you not done, draw figure 1 again. Okay, after convert to the PCB, apply auto router and Cooper area. Then you can save the schematic figure 1. Okay, next, create new schematic. Draw figure 2. Then, if you done drawing schematic, you can convert the schematic to PCB. If not, you can draw figure 2 until done. After you done convert to PCB, apply auto router and Cooper area. After that, you can save schematic figure 2 and finish.
Okay, this one is for the result. This one 3D for figure 1. Got two LED, the green and the red. 2 diode, 1 output, the 3 resistor. Okay, next. This one 3D for figure 2. Got 1 IC, 4 resistor, R1, R2, R3, R4. and 4 input and output. DC 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the next one. This one simulation for figure 1. As you can see, when I switch on the circuit, it will supply electric current flow going through 1.8K and 1.5K resistor, and the red light will on. One electric supply is given for the left side. Supply will go through 1.5K resistor and V light will on. When I open and close the switch, the green LED will on. After I delete the wire, the red light will on back. This one for simulation figure 1. This one simulation for figure 2. You can see IC and 4 resistor, 2 resistor 10K and 2 resistor for 1K, 10K and 1K. When I start running simulation, the supply will flow to the ground. You can see 5 ground, and we use 1 battery, 9 volt, 9 volt, yeah. Next. Okay, thank you. This our presentation for the group Rompin.